First off, congrats on unlocking ViralCred AI. That was a smart move. You already have a powerful way to turn simple ideas into branded Facebook content, schedule it automatically, and keep your business visible without manually posting every single day. And honestly, what you have right now is already more than enough to build authority, attract attention, and keep traffic flowing consistently. But let me ask you something honestly. If you're still relying on the same hooks, the same post formats, and the same handful of content angles, are you really using ViralCred AI at its highest possible level? Because most people create a few posts, schedule them, and stop. No fresh angles, no content variety, no real expansion. Now compare that to this. Imagine taking the same core idea and presenting it through curiosity hooks, stories, contrarian angles, authority posts, educational content, visual formats, promotional campaigns, and completely different creative styles. Suddenly, the same message keeps resurfacing, but it never feels repetitive. Different people respond to different formats. One person stops for a powerful story. Another notices a controversial opinion. Someone else engages with a checklist, visual post, carousel, or authority-based lesson. That's how you reach more eyes. That's how attention compounds. And that's how your content keeps growing instead of becoming stale. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to admit. One person just can't scale forever, no matter how powerful the automation is. This isn't an automation problem. It's not a motivation problem. And it's definitely not a skill problem. It's a bandwidth and variety problem. One person can only test so many hooks, review so many assets, approve so many campaigns, and manage so many brands before everything starts slowing down. That's why growth eventually feels capped. Now, imagine this instead. Imagine adding a team of up to 10 people. You're no longer responsible for every moving part. Your team can create, review, organize, approve, and schedule content together. You delegate. You remove bottlenecks. You move faster. Instead of processing every asset one by one, complete campaigns can move forward simultaneously. More hooks get tested. More formats get published. More brands remain active. And you're no longer forced to work longer hours just to increase your output. Your content stays fresh. Your campaigns keep moving. And your automated content system never loses momentum. When that happens, more people notice you. More audiences discover your message. And your results can start accelerating faster than you expected. Now, let me take this one step further. What if the same content engine building your Facebook presence could quietly attract high-paying monthly clients too? Instead of using ViralCred AI only for your own business, you could offer done-for-you Facebook content to businesses, creators, coaches, founders, agencies, and local brands that desperately want more authority, attention, and visibility. But don't want to brainstorm hooks, create different formats, review dozens of assets, or manage daily publishing themselves? These businesses don't need another random freelancer delivering 5 disconnected posts. They need someone who can create, organize, approve, and schedule fresh, credibility-building campaigns every month. And that means you're no longer thinking about one-off gigs. You're thinking about monthly retainers, high-value clients who need consistent content and are happy to pay someone else to run the system for them. So what if you could operate ViralCred AI like a serious content agency? Scale with a team, manage multiple brands, keep campaigns running months in advance, and turn automated attention into ongoing client opportunities. That's exactly why we created ViralCred AI MasterMode Agency. MasterMode Agency transforms ViralCred AI from a powerful content automation platform into a consistent, scalable client and growth system. It's built for speed, freshness, creative variety, team collaboration, larger campaigns, and expanded commercial use. With MasterMode, you unlock a completely higher level of execution inside ViralCred AI. You can add up to 10 team members and remove the bottlenecks that come from working alone. You unlock 20+ additional done-for-you viral hooks, giving you more powerful ways to stop the scroll and approach every message from fresh angles. You unlock 20+ additional post formats, helping every campaign stay varied, engaging, and impossible to ignore. You get priority AI processing, so posts, visuals, hooks, and campaign assets are completed faster. You can bulk approve assets instead of wasting time reviewing everything individually. You can schedule up to 90 days of content in advance, locking in months of visibility without returning to the calendar every day. You can store up to 10,000 content assets inside one organized library, making proven posts, visuals, hooks, and campaigns easier to find, reuse, and refresh. You can automate and schedule up to 30 brand projects simultaneously without turning your workflow into chaos. And with the expanded commercial license, you can create and deliver content for businesses, creators, coaches, and brands as a legitimate paid service. This isn't simply about creating more posts. It's about upgrading how your entire content operation runs. It's about moving from a few basic campaigns to fresher hooks, more formats, faster production, smoother approvals, longer scheduling, and consistent content that compounds across multiple brands. You're no longer stuck doing everything alone. You're building a team, you're serving clients, you're managing a real system, and you're creating a business that can keep expanding without your workload expanding at the same rate. Here's the bottom line. If you want ViralCred AI to operate at a completely higher level, if you want more freshness, more attention, more reach, more leverage, and the ability to transform automated content into a serious client-ready service, MasterMode Agency makes it possible. This is a limited time upgrade. Once this launch ends, the current pricing may disappear. So if you're ready to move faster, reach more people, manage more brands, and build something much bigger, upgrade to ViralCred AI MasterMode Agency now. I'll see you inside.